morning. This is a presentation of our SANISIM device combined with disinfectant SANISIM solution. The disinfectant solution is based on hydrogen peroxide with less than 6% concentration with addition of silver ions which have a catalyst effect on bacteria. This device is able to generate a dry fog sprayed 360 degrees in any environment in order to saturate the entire volume with a density equal to 6 ml per cubic meter complete and 3 ml per cubic meter preventive. The dry fog has very small particles of about 8 to 10 parts per million that manage to arrive in all interstices of environment and therefore in parts that are not normally reached by cleaning operators with their products. The system generated by the SANISIM device is based on many laboratory and real tests carried out and is 99.9% effective on all bacteria, viruses, spores, and fungi, depending on contact time of the disinfectant solution with all surfaces and ambient air. It is important to position the device in the center of the environment to allow it to evenly distribute the nebulized particles. Once the device is positioned, it will be necessary to power it by connecting it to main power 230 volts through 50 Hz and turning it on using the on-off button located at the bottom. At this point, once started, the touchscreen lights up from which it is possible to control the device and access all the functions. Normally, it works with compressed air generated by an internal compressor. This is the reason for the noise generated at startup, but it is possible to connect external compressed air through the socket connection located at the rear. It is important that the environment is free of people inside and the air conditioning is turned off, and that it is completely isolated from all other environments. The device is able to generate a sanitation report that can be available at the end of the process, but in order to obtain such data, it will be necessary to insert the required information, which are fundamental measurements of the environment for volume calculation, used product, lot, and product expiration. The touchscreen display shows the situation of the device with volume in cubic metrics, the environment, amount of calculated liquid, and quantity present in the tank. If this is not enough, you need to top up with new sanitizing liquid. Once this information is entered, the device is able to calculate the amount of sanitizing liquid needed to sanitize the environment according to protocol. This quantity is constantly monitored during the whole process to validate that the quantity delivered is the one actually calculated. When the device is ready, without any alarm, you must click the fogger icon to release the device needed to nebulize. If everything is ready, just click on Start. At this point, the device is ready to start the process that will start with a preset delay time. This can be modified. The device is programmable and can be controlled from outside through a PC connected to a Wi-Fi generated device through a normal web page. During the process, the device monitors time and the amount of atomizing liquid. At the end of the process, it is necessary to wait for at least 15 minutes to allow the sanitizing liquid to act correctly. It is possible to stop the process for any kind of emergency by pressing the red button located on the back of the device. Upon completion of the process, the touch screen will show a green LED light. This signals the end. Then it will be possible from a Wi-Fi connected PC to print the sanitation report by clicking on the printed icon at the bottom. Then turn off the device, remove it from the environment, and proceed with subsequent sanitation. The device can have some improvements, but the sanitation process remains unchanged.